Hi, I'm Dave Burrows, and I live in Henderson, Nevada, and I am the founder of Bioenergetics. So I was introduced to energy medicine when I was much younger. I was a ski addict, and I just loved to ski all the time. I had an injury one time where I had to go in for knee surgery, and at the one point I was recommended to a gentleman that was a Jin Shin Jyutsu, not karate, Jin Shin Jyutsu practitioner. And the first time I went to him, I was still in a lot of pain after the surgery, and I remember specifically within the first few minutes, I'll give you a quick analogy, and that is that if you just picture a garden hose that is turned on and somebody stepped on that garden hose. So that pressure is what I was feeling in my knee, and within a few moments, first time I've ever experienced anything like this in my life, I felt this release, and I knew that that was energy, just knew it. And that got my attention. That was my first exposure to energy, and from that point forward, it changed my life. I was a client of his for a few more years until the time that I moved from Tucson at the time to Scottsdale, Arizona, which is where the Jin Shin office was at, the main office. And at that point, I decided to start studying the art of Jin Shin. And that was back in 1985, and that has led me down my path. So as a Jin Shin practitioner, I was seeing clients. They were coming to me in office, and as I was working with them, one of the main things I wanted to do was to give them the self-empowered ability to heal themselves. And NES was introduced to me via Facebook, of all places, and it was only from a recommendation that I saw the advertising from a trusted colleague of mine, and I thought, well, if they like this thing called NES, then I'm going to look into it. And the further I looked into it, the more that I knew that NES was a perfect marriage with what I was already doing, based on helping people heal and also giving them the ability to empower themselves. And that is one of the main things that attracted me to NES, was that ability to give that power back to the individuals, so that we are working interdependently rather than codependently. One of my goals when somebody comes in is to help them move away from having to come to me. I know that's not a really good business strategy, but it is one of my goals when I'm working with a client. So when I'm thinking about one of my clients that I've worked with, specifically with NES and isolating it to the Infoceuticals, it goes back to a client that I was working with that we then bridged to his daughter, an 8-year-old daughter. And the reason I like this particular case is that I know that it was all the Infoceuticals because there was nothing else introduced. We were working with one thing, the Infoceuticals. So his daughter had the inability to focus, and we know what that is. And with the introduction of the Infoceuticals, within a week, she could focus. Her ability to focus was off the chart compared to where she was at before, and her parents were ecstatic and long life believers now of the NES and the Infoceuticals. Just an amazing turnaround. So one of the things I encourage others to do, the client and other practitioners, is to be very focused on breath work. Breath is super important, and to give a quick analogy of how important it is, we can go weeks without food. So diet is important. We can go days without water. Hydration is important. It's a part of it. How long can we go without breathing? Minutes. So that in a pecking order, you can see how important breath is and bringing that breath into the body. And so when I am working with somebody, if they're virtual, I'm going to ask them, how long is your exhale and how long is your inhale? Because I want to know that. If they're with me, with me in my office at the clinic, then what I do is I don't say anything about it. I just observe how long they are exhaling, if they're holding their breath at the end of the exhale, if they're holding their breath at the end of the inhale, and how long they're inhaling. That is really important information to help somebody get to the place where they can harmonize more efficiently, in addition to everything else that we're doing. My intention for my clients, and on a bigger scale, is to make a bigger impact, but is on that individual level, is to help each person be. What does that mean? Most of us are in our head, and when I can help somebody get a glimpse of what it feels like to actually be inside their body and have that blissful feeling that most people talk about at a near-death experience. That bliss is actually within us all right now. We're simply blocking it out. And through the Infoceuticals, that helps to unblock and to get closer and move towards that bliss that's available to all of us. And the more of us that experience it, the bigger the impact that we will all have in this world. And that is one of my main goals and visions, is to help as many people as I can experience that and get to that place of peace and harmony and blissfulness.